welcome back to our channel. Today this video is a game changer for you. Without wasting any time, let's start the video.
If you've spent any time in the creator economy over the past few years, you already know how frustrating it can be to break in. Most platforms want you to prove yourself first. Build a following, rack up watch hours, hit some arbitrary subscriber count, and only then will they consider paying you. Vyro flips that model on its head. Launched by MrBeast, Vyro is a clipping marketplace that connects everyday creators with major brands and creators, including MrBeast himself and science communicator Mark Rober, who need their long-form content turned into short-form clips for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Instead of applying for a job or negotiating a sponsorship, you simply pick a campaign, create a clip, post it, and get paid based on how many views it earns. What makes Vyro genuinely different is the complete absence of a barrier to entry. There's no follower minimum, no watch hour requirement, and no waiting period. YouTube's partner program requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you can even apply. TikTok's Creator Fund asks for 10,000 followers, and even then, monetization isn't reliably available in every country. Vyro doesn't care about any of that. You could sign up today with 0 followers and 0 posts, and if your first clip performs, you get paid for it. The economics are also worth paying attention to. Vyro pays out roughly $1 to $3 per 1,000 views, CPM, depending on the specific campaign, and payouts reportedly update on an hourly basis rather than the delayed monthly cycles you might be used to elsewhere. For context, a clip that reaches 100,000 total views across platforms could earn you somewhere in the ballpark of $200, $300, and creators working similar clipping models elsewhere have reported earning well into the thousands per month once they find a rhythm. Results obviously vary, and Vyro is still a young platform, but the earning potential is real and not just marketing spin. 2. Step-by-step account setup. Getting started takes just a few minutes. Here's exactly how to do it. Go to the correct website, head to vyro.com, the official platform. Double-check the URL, since impersonator sites can pop up around any buzzy new launch. Sign up, click Start Clipping, and register using either your email address or your Google account. You'll be asked to enter your date of birth as part of the verification process. Choose your role. You'll be prompted to select either Creator or Business. Select I am a creator. The business option is meant for brands looking to launch their own campaigns, not for individuals looking to earn. Fill out your profile. Choose a username and set your language preference, English in most cases. If your country isn't listed in the drop-down menu yet, this has been a common hiccup for creators in regions like Pakistan. Selecting USA is a reasonable workaround for now. Your account's listed region doesn't restrict where your actual viewers come from, since Vyro tracks global viewership regardless of where you signed up. Connect your social accounts. Link your TikTok, Instagram, X, Twitter, and YouTube accounts. Vyro will generate a unique verification code for you to paste into your social media bio. This step matters. It confirms you actually own the accounts you're linking, and it's often what unlocks the full payout rate for a given campaign. 3. How to join and execute campaigns. Once your profile is fully set up, here's how the actual earning process works. Browse active campaigns. Your dashboard will show live campaigns, for example, a MrBeast Philanthropy clip series, along with the CPM rate, commonly $1.50, $2 per 1,000 views, and which platforms are eligible: YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. 4. Earnings, limits, and withdrawals. A few practical numbers to keep in mind as you plan your strategy. Minimum view threshold. Each individual clip needs to hit at least 5,000 views before it becomes eligible for payout. Per post earning cap. There's currently a maximum payout of $1,000 per single post, regardless of how viral it goes beyond that point. Dashboard tracking. Your Vyro dashboard breaks earnings into 3 categories: available balance, pending balance, and lifetime earnings, so you can monitor exactly where your money stands at any moment. Withdrawal options. Vyro currently supports withdrawals via Stripe and PayPal, with some reports suggesting crypto and direct bank transfers are also available depending on your region. These options aren't officially supported in every country yet, and creators in places like Pakistan have found workarounds through legitimate third-party services. As Vyro continues to grow, expect its list of supported payment methods to expand. 5. Final tips for success. Vyro is still early in its life as a platform. As more brands and creators join and post campaigns, expect both the volume of opportunities and the range of payment options to grow. Consistency beats one-off effort. Creators who treat clipping like a real practice, posting regularly, refining their editing, and paying attention to what performs, tend to see far better long-term results than those chasing a single viral hit. Before you dive in, take the time to actually read Vyro's official terms of service and community guidelines. Platforms built around user-generated content tend to enforce their rules strictly, and understanding them up front is the easiest way to keep your account in good standing.